Once upon a time, in a small city, there lived a 20 years old young man named Jackson. He always thought, "I am a failure. I cannot do anything right." People around him laughed at him. Slowly, he also started to believe that maybe he was useless. His heart was heavy, and his eyes had no hope. One day, an old man in the city said to him, "Son, go to the mountain. There lives a wise master. Maybe he can help you." Jackson was afraid, but a small hope pushed him to go. After a long walk, Jackson reached the mountain. There he saw an old teacher with kind eyes and a calm face. The master asked, "Why have you come, son?" Jackson said, "Master, I am a failure. I cannot do anything right. There is nothing good in me." The master looked at him and said, "If you really think you're a failure, then do one task for me. This will be your cure." The master gave him 2 buckets. One was strong and new, the other was old and broken, and water leaked from it. The master said, "There is a well down the mountain. For 3 days, bring water with both these buckets." Jackson did as he told. Every day he went down to the well, filled both buckets, and climbed back up. But each time when he reached the top, one bucket was full and the other was half empty. He felt sad. He thought, "My work is wasted. This broken bucket makes me a loser." On the 3rd day, he was very tired and upset. He went to the master and said, "Master, I have failed. Because of this broken bucket, my effort is useless. I cannot succeed." The master smiled and said, "Son, look back at the path where the broken bucket passed every day." Jackson turned and looked. He was shocked. On one side of the path, green plants had grown. Beautiful flowers had bloomed. The dry land had become full of life. The master said softly, "Do you see this, my son? Every day you thought your work was wasted. Every day you felt weak. But in reality, you were giving life to this path. Listen carefully, my dear son. Failure is not real. It only lives in the mind. You are not a failure. You are a gift. The broken bucket gave water to the ground, and because of that, flowers were born. In the same way, what you call your weakness can become someone else's hope. What you think is your mistake can be your biggest strength. Never hate your weakness. That very weakness can make you shine. Tears came to Jackson's eyes. For the first time, he felt that he was not useless. He was important. He was valuable. So, friends, this story teaches us. Sometimes we think we are weak, but the same weakness can become strength for others. Failure is not the end. It is just another way to succeed. Never hate your weakness. That very weakness can make you shine. That was today's story. We'll meet again with another inspiring lesson only on Tales by Monis. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel. Thank you for being a part of this journey.